Yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy, your future boss. Y'all already know. Follow me on Twitter at your future boss. YOURFUTRBOSS. Today I got a real quick unboxing for you guys. You guys know it's Black Friday, so I didn't come out. This is the Samsung soundbar. It's the hw-h450. This is a Bluetooth soundbar that you could use with your TV, and it also has its own subwoofer. Best Buy had a great deal on this, so I had to go ahead and cop. Let's get right into it, guys, and see what it looks like inside. I got my handy dandy. Open that up. Alright. Let's put that away real quick. Kids, don't play with these at home. Alright. Got a lot of packaging. Don't need that. And right away, we get the soundbar itself. As you guys can see. I'm going to take it out of the wrapper, but for now.
Just tape, I have tape.
You just stop by itself and you keep on saying that.
Alright guys, let's see what else is in the box. There's a little compartment in here. In the compartment we have a remote. Looks like a charger, some other wires. We're going to open that up later. Alright, on the other side, we got the sub. Alright, let's get rid of that box. And let's break in all the stuff real quick. Okay, so let's not do that. There's actually a cord in here that stays in there. Alright. How do we open this? Okay, here we go. Ooh, nice. That's real nice. So it has like a matte finish and then like a glossy type finish, as you can see. Fingerprint magnet. Good thing my fingers are not going to be on it much. So that's the subwoofer. And for the sound bar, alright guys, so here's the soundbar itself. Pretty cool. It has a couple connections on it. There's an HDMI in, and there's also an auxiliary in on the soundbar on one side. On the other side, we have an HDMI out and an optical in. It also has power and volume rockers on the front. Pretty awesome. I can't wait to see how this sounds. I never had a sound bar, so I'm not gonna lie and say I'm the soundbar king, but alright, so here's the remote for the soundbar itself. As you guys can see, it's like a carbon fiber type finish. Pretty nice. It also comes with a battery. Here's the power brick. I guess this is for the subwoofer, because you know those take a lot of power. Then we have this is the cord that goes to the power brick. And then we have another audio cord right here. What else do we have? Got some stuff that sounds like it could break. Alright, this is all wrapped up. Oh, we got a couple fixtures. I guess if you want to mount it on the wall, that's what these are. Here is, this is smart of Samsung. This is actually a HDMI, Bluetooth, but it has like a 90-degree on it. So because of the 90-degree, you can see that you can connect it into the soundbar easily. So that was very smart of them. And then there's like a lock. I never knew what these were. If anybody knows, let me get this out. I really want to know what these things are. Maybe I should read the instructions. It's like a heavy cable lock. But I don't know what they're really for. If anybody knows, let me know. But I'm going to go ahead and set this up, guys, and see how it sounds. And, I'm going to hook it up to my Samsung TV, so it should sound really great. And then I'm going to get on some games. You guys follow me. I'm already on the Xbox Live at Your Future Boss. Same on Twitter. Same on Instagram. Follow me everywhere. Snapchat. Alright, guys. It was your boy, Your Future Boss. Peace.